Alright guys, today I want to clean up the front end a little bit. So I like the clean look. So I'm gonna take off the front license plate and bracket and then remove the front bumper molding as well. This is just for temporary because I do want to get a different bumper with those fog lights inside of the bumper. But for now, for a cheaper mod, just gonna remove the license plate and the bracket and the front molding, and then of course since removing the front molding is going to leave those holes in the bumper, I'm going to get a little strip to cover those up. Alright, so I'm going to take off the front license plate and the bracket first. So it looks like there's four 10mm bolts that holds this in, two on top here and two on the bottom here, but of course to get access to the two top ones here, gotta move the license plate. So I'm going to take that off real quick. Help me, Dad. Okay, here, go with this one. Yeah, go in there. Okay, turn it. See, there you go, like that. There you go, good job. Almost, come on, keep going. Keep going. There you go, it's coming out. Oh. There you go. Good job. Yes, it is. No, you gotta keep going. Oh. There you go. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Oh, there you go. See, it came out. And give it to Dad. Thank you. I want that. Oh. Got the license plate and bracket off. Looks like it was a nuts and bolt, not a screw. So that's what it looks like now. Now let's take the molding off. So from what I was seeing, looks like on each side of the bumper or the molding, there's two thread cutting nuts that holds the inside in, and then everything here is just a pop-in clip that of course is molded to the molding. So see if I can show you here. There you go. You see those two are here, so there's two on this side and two on that side. So let me take that off and then pull off the molding and then clean up the front bumper and look at what she looks like after taking off that molding. And of course gonna find something to fill up those holes, maybe the chrome rub strip from the auto parts store or some chrome plugs, but we'll see. All right, just got four of these thread cutting nuts off, or yeah, nuts off, on two on each side. So now I'm assuming that the molding should just pop right off now with some force. So let me give that a try and see how that goes. And all I used to remove those thread cutting nuts was just a 11mm wrench. Okay, you want to help that? Let's take this off, see how it goes. Oh. Ready? Come over here. Help Dad pull it. This one right here. Stay on this side. Okay. Ready? Oh. Ready? Oh. Oh. off now. Alright, so just pull off the front bumper molding. And that's how you pull that guy off. So what it is of course you gotta remove the front license plate bracket off. 2 on each side of the thread cutting nuts, and then everything, and then the rest you can just pop it off out of these slots here. Now I'm gonna clean up the front bumper and go find something to cover up those holes. No, this one, the bumper. Help Dad wipe the bumper. See? Yeah, help Dad wipe the bumper. There you go, good job. Thank you for helping. Okay, excuse me. Over here, do it over here. Thank you. Are you helping Dad? Yeah, it's dirty, huh? Yeah, it has to wash it. All done? Thank you. So just did a quick wipe down and it's already looking much better. I think I'm gonna polish out that chrome too. There's still a lot of little streak and mark spot from it sitting there for some time. But yeah, just got here at Napa Auto Parts and let's see what type of chrome rub strips they have. Napa didn't really have anything. It was smaller than I thought. The store came to O'Reilly here and they got it. So chrome rub strip. I bought the 1/2 inch wide and hopefully that's wide enough. I mean, I tested it over the holes and it covers it up, but we'll apply it on, put it on and see how it looks. All right, let's get this chrome trim installed on the truck. First thing I'm gonna do is wipe it down first actually because it's kind of dirty in that area, and then apply some heat so it gets a better adhesion, and then apply that chrome trim. So let's get to it. Just finished putting on the trim and it's looking better than I thought actually. I'm liking it. The bumper is still kind of dirty. I'm gonna polish it out, so I'll show you guys the final results after I polish out. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. And remember, like I said, this is just temporary until I get the bumper that I want. So this is just a little cheap front bumper mod. So I'm gonna get to polishing the bumper and then show you guys the final result after. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this Blue Magic metal polish cream on a sponge pad here. I'm just gonna polish it out and see how it comes out, because it still has all of these little rough marks here. Hi, Dada. Hi. Okay guys, finished to polish up the bumper. I didn't get everything off, but I got most of the stuff off. Let's take a quick closer look. Still has some little outlining of this blemish here, but overall it's pretty good. So that came out pretty good. I think the last thing I want to do is find some chrome plugs and fill up these holes if I can find any. If not, then it'll be just the way it is there. Okay guys, just picked up some chrome plugs from Home Depot. You guys can see it there. 3/8 of an inch chrome plugs. Let's see how these work. Okay. Not as chrome as the bumper, but it'll fill up that black hole spot. Oh, that's pretty tight. Hold on, let me set the camera down. Okay, just got them in. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I think it looked better without those plugs. Probably just leave it for now, and they'll probably fall out during driving sometime. If not, probably pop them out back later, but they're alright. I don't know if I'm feeling that. Anyways, that concludes this video. So that's just a temporary mod for the front bumper to have a clean front look until I get a new front bumper that I want with those fog lights. Just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel, and comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.